Just a spoiled bitch. And a nerd living on the road. I'm West. That's Lucy. Follow me. Follow, like and subscribe. Do make it's my birthday. Hang on. Does that help? It's my birthday. And I'm celebrating in Falls Creek Falls. Let me show you this beautiful, beautiful place. It's actually really refreshing to have rain on my birthday. That never happens for a desert boy like me. And my birthday has been pretty chill. And it is coming down. I haven't seen rain like this in a long time. It's wet. It's pee your pants and nobody notices wet. Heyo. Gonna see what this park is all about. A couple of hikes. Really want to do the cable hike, but it has been raining all morning. And the one thing the ranger told me is that if it's raining or there's a possibility of raining, it can be really slick. And I'm gonna have to carry Lucy up and down. That doesn't sound super fun, so we'll see. But check this out. Goose. There we go. Some steep steps here. Keep going, Goose. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. This footage is not going to be usable. It's nice and cool up against these rock walls. I just kind of want to live here right now for a minute. This is the sort of thing that gives me anxiety. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure. Hey, yo. Well, baby. This hike is strenuous, but there's only one part of it that's hard. The rocks here are just so slick. Gotta be really careful where you put your feet. This section of the video is specifically for Mark, because he's requested in every video that I edit out my breathing. So, fuck you, Mark. I hope you enjoy this. Coming up is sweatier by like 110%. Just a real sweaty boy. The sweatiest. But we did it. Now we just have 2 miles back to camp. Well, we really almost did it, but I'm counting it. Where does the sweat end? And where does the humidity begin? I don't know. I don't know if there's a difference. I might just be one with the universe now. And I do not love it. Number 2. Waterfall number 2. This place is pretty cool. What a cool spot. 1 mile to go. Once we're back at camp, if I've done the math right, we just did like a 6.2 mile day. Averaged less than 2 miles an hour, but that's a pretty good little day. And it's the longest that Lucy's done since she got her ACL surgery. And she's a champion. Definitely gassed. She's tuckered out and acting like it, but I'm tuckered out, so who can blame her? I'll see you back at camp. That last mile though,